This is a short video on how to set up a Haiku class. You want to be on any of the Winston-Salem Forsyth County school pages and go to User Options and choose Haiku. From there, you're going to log in using your Google account. We've got the Winston-Salem address here, so I'm just going to click Sign In. This takes me to my portal, my home page. Now, I've got several classes already set up. I'm an elementary librarian, so I set up a class for each grade level. But I might want to set up some classes for some special projects that I'm doing with different grade levels. I can do that by coming to the bottom of this list here and choosing New Class, or I can go to My Classes and I can click on the New Class button. So I've got to choose a new class name. I think I'll call this one 5th grade projects. Notice it's setting up a URL while I'm here, and now I'm going to set up a class code so that people I invite to class can sign in to class. So my organization is already here, and I can put in a summary so that people who are searching can find us easier. I don't want to allow user nicknames because the kids get so creative with that, sometimes I can't tell who they are. I can have a calendar or not. I can click or unclick it. I can allow comments or not, and I can have an inbox in that class so that I can receive information. Elementary schools don't have a schedule, so I'm ready to click Finish. And my class is now created, but my class is not visible to anybody. If I go up here and look at my classes, I can jump to Inactive Classes, and that's where this class is right now. It's inactive because I have not made it active yet. So I want to go back into the class. I've got two Manage buttons. One of them is to manage the page. We'll talk about that in another video. This one is the one I want, Manage Class. And at the very bottom, it says Make Active. That's what we click to make the class active. Now I've got some more choices. I can make my class active forever, or I can choose a date. If this is going to be a class for a short-term project and I want it to end, then I can do that. I can also decide who's going to be able to see it. Only the people in the class roster that I enter. Everybody at More Magnet. Now I've done this for my classes for each grade level, and so that the teachers can see what we're doing in library. Or everybody in the Winston-Salem Forsyth County School District can see it. We also have the option for anybody on the web should you want to go that route. Now I'm going to click Save. Now my page is active, so when I go back to Home, 5th grade projects shows up right here, and I can just click on it that way. Anybody who's in it will be able to access it now.